Pocket S Mini. AYANEO launches powerful pocket-sized gaming handheld with up to 16 GB of RAM. AYANEO has officially launched its latest high-end Android gaming handheld, the Pocket S Mini, for the global market. The device comes in 3 color options and offers configurations with up to 16 GB of RAM, designed with portability in mind. The Pocket S Mini also features ultra-fast LPDDR5X8533 memory, a sharp 9.6 OP display, and a large battery capable of supporting hours of retro gaming and emulation. The Pocket S Mini is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon G3x Gen 2 chipset, making it the newest addition to AYANEO's growing lineup of handheld gaming devices. It follows previous models such as the Pocket Ace, Pocket DS, Pocket DMG, Pocket Evo, and Pocket S, which is currently priced at $479.99 on Amazon. Despite being the smallest in the series, measuring just 167 by 78 by 18.5 millimeters and weighing 305 grams, the Pocket S Mini does not compromise on performance or features. It includes a 6,000 mAh battery, active cooling, and durable Hall-effect joysticks and triggers for improved longevity and precision. The handheld sports a 4.2-inch display with a native resolution of 1,280 by 960 pixels and a 4:3 aspect ratio, making it ideal for classic games and retro emulation. AYANEO has not disclosed peak brightness levels, but the screen is expected to deliver crisp visuals. In terms of memory and storage, the device comes equipped with LPDDR5X RAM clocked at an impressive 8,533 mount. Storage options include UFS 4.0 or UFS 3.1, depending on the configuration, with the base model offering 128 GB of internal storage. Pricing for the Pocket S Mini starts at $319 for the entry-level model, featuring 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. For just $20 more, buyers can opt for a version with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Available in Isole White and Obsidian Black, the top-tier variant called the Retro Power Edition comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage and is priced at $479. AYANEO has confirmed that the Pocket S Mini is available for immediate purchase with no pre-order phase. Orders placed before February 10th will begin shipping by February 12th. However, shipments made after this date may experience delays due to Chinese New Year, with deliveries resuming no earlier than February 26th. For more information, customers can visit AYANEO's official website.